Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to add fonts into your planner, or rather your iPad. I've had a couple people ask me about the fonts that I use, and the fonts that I use in my planner were actually purchased from a different website, but I'm going to show you today how to use free fonts. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to get an app, and so that app is iFont. So you need to go to your Apple store or wherever store you have for your tablet and purchase iFont. I'm not sure what apps there are for like Android tablets, like the Galaxy tabs. I have no idea. I'm an Apple user, but I'm sure there is a program for that. But for all my Apple users, you're gonna wanna get iFont. It's a free app, so it's really easy to use and easy to download. So you're gonna wanna install that first. After that, you're gonna wanna go onto the internet. You can use Safari or you can use Chrome. I prefer Chrome. And we're gonna search for a website called DaFont. Oh, see, it pops up right here. So dafont.com. Now this website is really great because it has tons and tons of fonts. It has all different styles that you can choose from, but you do want to be mindful of the type of file that you are downloading if you are going to be making projects to sell. If you're making one that has a sell, you're going to have to get you're gonna have to pay for a license. So just be really mindful of that. A lot of them do say free for personal use, but if I was going to want to use this font for Scratch Boys, I'd have to contact this person who created it and purchase a license to use it to sell it. But if I'm using it in my own planner, it's not a big deal. But let's go and look for a font. I'm going to look for, let's try Old School. Let's see what they got there. These are all baseball fonts. There we go. We'll try this one, Helene. So you'll notice this one says 100% free. So what that means, if I wanted to use this in a planner or in an insert, I could use that completely free and not pay a license fee. But this one says free for personal use. I could only use it for myself. So that's how those licenses work. But we're gonna press download here for Helene. Okay, so when you press download, this little bar is going to pop up at the bottom and you're going to want to select download the file. So now it's going to start the process and it's already in opened the zip file, and you're going to select open in, and iFont should pop up. If it doesn't, you can just look for it, but it should pop up. Now I'm going to select import to iFont, and then you'll see over here, here's my font. My font is ready to be imported or installed into my iPad. So you'll press install, and now all these little boxes are gonna pop up. So always select allow and then close. So now your font is ready. It's ready to be downloaded into your iPad. So you're gonna swipe up or just go to my settings, and you'll see this little bubble pops up. It says file downloaded. You'll select that, install, and enter your passcode. Once you've entered your passcode, you can now install your font. So select install, and now you're done. And now it's in there. It's not alphabetized, which I really wish Apple would fix that. But does it go down to the bottom? No, it's not alphabetized. It's just kind of a random order. But now we can go into our planner, and remember our font is called Helene. And I'm just gonna go to a blank page. Okay, and I'm going to select text. I'm going to find Helene and make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. I want a round number. Okay, let's see, scribble. So we'll say, this is my new font. Not fort, font. And there you go. Now you've got a whole new font in your planner, and you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can use it for all kinds of projects. That doesn't even say font, new font. It's a new font, guys. But that's easy to install and get ready to go. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you, and I hope you enjoy getting some new fonts into your planners. Bye.